Make your message unmissable with our wind-resistant Sidewalk sign. Unpack and get everything you need for long-lasting sidewalk advertising. Set the frame into the base, aligning it with the connection slots. Secure the frame firmly with the included bolts for long-term stability. Our snap frame system lets you update your posters in seconds. No tools required. Protect your message with included weather-resistant, anti-glare covers. Two-sided display means maximum visibility from every direction. For maximum stability, fill the base with sand or water. Perfect for windy days. Built-in wheels make moving your sign quick and effortless. Engineered to perform in any condition, rain, wind, or shine. Perfect for cafes, retail shops, events, and more. Get your wind-resistant Sidewalk sign today.